Ever felt like the traditional roadmap to success is like trying to navigate with a paper map in the age of GPS? Well, you're not alone. In a world where trillions of dollars are being printed, the old rules of going to school, getting a job, and saving for the future just don't cut it anymore. Join me on this eye-opening journey as we break down the walls of conventional wisdom. Forget about just chasing money. It's time to zoom out and grasp the bigger picture. Within each of us, there's a poor person seeking security, a middle-class person craving a steady paycheck, and a rich person with a different mindset. Unfortunately, this is not taught. The emphasis is on conventional education and employment. My rich dad, a mentor, never paid me a paycheck. He believed that taking a paycheck turned you into an employee with a limiting mindset. As an entrepreneur, if one business didn't work, I could try another without being tied to a fixed income. The entrepreneur is more about mindset, skill sets, and a unique set of rules than just running a business. The transition from being an employee to an entrepreneur is not easy, but it defines your character. Failure becomes a test revealing whether you'll resort to dishonesty or emerge as a better human being. Being an entrepreneur means taking control of your income and tax liabilities. While financial experts may advise getting out of debt, I advocate learning how to use debt strategically. The rich use debt and taxes to their advantage, making them richer, while the poor and middle class suffer from them. It's crucial to understand that as information doubles every 18 months, many conventional ideas become obsolete. The idea of going to school, getting a job, saving money, and investing in the long term is outdated. The world changed in 1971, and money became debt, making most people obsolete as they step out of school. When it comes to the economy, there's an internal and external economy. Poor and middle-class individuals focus externally, viewing a bad economy as disastrous. In contrast, entrepreneurs maintain an internal focus, seeing challenges as opportunities to grow stronger, smarter, and happier. In essence, being an entrepreneur is about controlling your internal mindset, embracing challenges, and recognizing that your personal economy is within your control, regardless of external circumstances. It's not just about making money, it's about mastering the mindset and skill sets that set you apart in any economy. I'm here to guide you through the thrilling journey of becoming an entrepreneur and cultivating that killer entrepreneur mindset. Get ready for a ride. 1. Embrace your inner maverick. First things first, let's debunk a myth. Entrepreneurship isn't just about flashy startups in Silicon Valley. It's a mindset, a way of thinking that sees problems as opportunities. Take my journey, for instance. Before the rich dad empire, I had my fair share of failures. One business folding wasn't the end, it was a pivot to another venture, each teaching me invaluable lessons. 2. Learning trumps earning. Conventional education teaches you to chase grades, but real success lies in continuous learning. My rich dad once told me, "The moment you think you know it all, you're on a fast track to nowhere. Stay curious, devour books, attend workshops, and learn from those who've walked the path. Your most potent asset is between your ears, not in your wallet." 3. Fail forward. Failure isn't a dead end, it's a detour to success. Remember that bonus check I got in Puerto Rico? It was both the worst and best day of my life. My colleague told me I'd be back because I'd fail. My response, I'm going to fail, but I'm never coming back. Embrace failure as a badge of honor, a stepping stone to resilience and growth. 4. Control your cash flow. Ever heard the saying, "You gotta spend money to make money"? It holds truth. The rich use debt strategically. They leverage it to build assets and increase cash flow. Take calculated risks. For instance, I refinanced $300 million in debt, lowering interest rates and increasing my monthly income. Don't fear debt. Learn to dance with it. 5. Mind your mindset. Becoming an entrepreneur is like stepping into the matrix. Your mindset is the code that shapes your reality. Break free from the employee mentality. As an entrepreneur, I didn't want to be a slave to money. I could try different businesses because I wasn't tied to a fixed income. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Cultivate it wisely. 6. Pivot like a pro. Remember Blockbuster? They stuck to their model and, well, you know how that ended. Being rigid is a one-way ticket to obsolescence. Successful entrepreneurs pivot. They adapt to changing landscapes. It's not about avoiding failure, but learning to pivot when needed. Think of it as a GPS recalculating your route when you take a detour. 7. Embrace the unknown. Here's a secret. They don't teach you about taxes and debt in school. Entrepreneurs thrive in the unknown because they learn to navigate it. As an entrepreneur, you control your income and tax liabilities. It's not about evading taxes. It's about understanding the game and playing it strategically. 8. Build networks, not just net worth. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, mentors, and those who challenge you. Attend networking events, engage in online communities, and remember, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. 9. Be solution-oriented. The world doesn't pay you for your time. It pays for the value you bring. Entrepreneurs are problem solvers. Find a problem, create a solution, and people will pay for it. It's not about the product, it's about the problem it solves. 10. Take action today. Enough theory, time for action. Start small, but start today. Your journey won't be a straight line, but each step, no matter how small, is progress. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no such thing. The perfect moment is now.